this video, I'm going to cover some of the basic stretches which can be very useful whenever your lower back or end of the hip area is starting to feel pain. So in terms of movements, it's always trying to evaluate yourself. What direction is it good for your body to go in? But these are hopefully fairly simple stretches that it will let you realise what is good for your body and what is not. So take them slowly, breathe into them, move slowly in so that you can find that edge of where it feels good to go but not good to go past. And that way then, from that point of view, if you're holding and you breathe and you relax into it, you may gradually ease into the stretch a little bit more. So the first one would be child's pose, where you're trying to get your bottom towards your heels and then reaching your arms out in front and as deep as you can fold. There's variations on this of whether your knees are together, which will round your back out a little bit more, or maybe you're having your knees apart, hip width, shoulder width, or even wider, so that you fold deeper at the hips. And you will find when you're doing this, what one feels better for you. If the feet have a problem of being flat, you could put a towel underneath the ankle so that it leaves you in a lifted position as opposed to into a fully pointed position. It can be more comfortable. But if that also isn't comfortable, then you can tuck the toes under and then you can still work your child's pose from there. Now with this position, no matter which variation you take, you can walk your hands to the side so that it brings a long stretch down one side of the body. And as you're holding that stretch, you're trying to make sure that it's not that your whole body's moving to the side, it's the upper body that's moving and the ribs essentially are staying in line. So whenever we take it down, we're walking to the side, but you're not moving the whole body, the ribs are back in. And that way then it brings the long stretch down in to where the muscles are affecting and connecting down into the lower back and the pelvis. So you can do both sides and hold and breathe into them. And it's good practice to hold your stretches until you feel at ease. If it's particularly tight, hold it until it eases. Then go a little bit further, a bit deeper into the stretch, wait for that to ease. And then go similarly a third time and then hold that and wait for that to ease. So hopefully this one has been a useful one. It's a lovely stretch to do at any point, but if you are getting back issues and your body's comfortable to go into that flexion, that folding position and hold and ease, then it's definitely one to play with. So hopefully this has been helpful. Again, if you have any feedback to leave me, then that's great. Otherwise, you can put in a request for any other videos. Thanks for watching.